So as Azza lines the integral up, when he gets the green light from the FDD, he'll hit full power. And we've got little Sonny's lad next to him, look at this. Yeah, bit of a fist pump there for Azza. Wait for his music to start. This is the new machine, well, it's last year's new release, the Tomahawk. This is from Weston. Running a big powerful JetCat 220 size turbine, running Spectrum radio and the new CLI servos, which are distributed by Azza Aerosports. PowerSafe, Spectrum PowerSafe receiver, and for about $4,500 you'll get yourself the airframe, the pipe and the retracts, and then you put your own turbine in and electrics. So from EA, Azza Aerosports, the Tomahawk, this is the Integral. Making a very fast inverted pass here to the right hand side of the flight line. This is Azza Stevens. This is the Integral from Tomahawk Designs. 2.5 metre wingspan. This thing's just under 3 meters long. It's 22.5 kilograms. As I say, it's running the super powerful JetCat 220 size turbine. Lots of power, as we can see. This is the Integral. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Lovely hesitation mark. I lost count. Well, that was almost a bump then, an inverted loop, an internal loop. Comes with a little bunt. Nose down, that's it, here it is, that's the bunt. You do that in your B test if you want. Half Cuban. This is full power now from the left-hand side of the flight line. Azza Stevens with the Integral. That sounds great. So, coming in for the last moments of his flight, keeping up that airspeed. Letting the corner off there, just letting the altitude drop off and bleed off naturally. Letting the airplane just fly. And he's going to do a nice low pass for us. Very slow for the integral, flaps down, almost spread it out, it stays in the air, no speed, no altitude. Look at that, that's a round of applause just right there, ladies and gentlemen. Azza with the integral, can you believe that? Just giving you a quick heads up, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, that at 1 o'clock you can see our pyro monkey friends over in the far distance. They're setting all the fireworks up. So 1 o'clock we're going to have the pyrotechnic demonstration. So there are and will be loud bangs. So just be aware of that for kids and dogs and stuff like that. Another very low, slow pass from Azza. He's done that again because he likes the round of applause he gets when he does that. That's all it was for. These are show pilots, they call them show pilots for nothing, do they? And here he's landing. Here's he coming. Easy does it. And he will get a big round of applause because everybody loves to watch Azza fly the integral. From Tomahawk, that's it, ladies and gentlemen, Azza Stevens. If you get a chance to have a little wander down to the Aerosports tent, you'll see the amazing array of airplanes they brought with us for the show this weekend. So do go over and have a look. They're a great bunch of guys, and they'll answer any questions you have. And it's all about having fun. You know, it's all about entertaining you guys.
Good, thanks.
Giving you value for money. Last year's new release, the Tomahawk, which is from the So just be aware of that for kids and dogs and stuff like that. Another very low, slow pass from Azza. He's done that again because he likes the round of applause. Here's he coming. Easy does it. And he will get a big round of applause because everybody loves to watch Azza fly the integral. From Tomahawk, that's it, ladies and gentlemen, Azza Stevens.